All right, so today we've got a 2016 black on tan leather Tesla Model S P100D. And there's your steering wheel there. And there's your power driver seat with power lumbar support. And there's your leg room there. You can fit another adult back here. My legs are just really long, and the way the seat's set up, it's just hard for me to sit them behind the seat. And there's your dual pane sky roof there. And there's your trunk space. And there's your power passenger seat with power lumbar support. So over here you've got your navigation system. There's your backup camera. And of course you've got your streaming, which you can play through the vehicle. You can connect a Bluetooth audio phone. You've got AM, FM, and XM radio. Spotify. And then of course you've got your controls for your car, so you can open the sunroof, adjust the suspension, adjust the headlights, if you want the auto high beam on, how you want the car to accelerate, autopilot, just a lot of cool features. And then you've got a couple cup holders, some additional storage. And there's your key fob there. You've got your gauge cluster. And then we're just gonna go ahead and open the trunk. And there's your front trunk space. And next we're gonna go ahead and take this Tesla Model S P100D out on the road for a test drive. So far, pretty peppy acceleration. No hesitation whatsoever. Wow. Whoo! Goodness gracious. Okay, it is extremely fast. Wow. I legit felt like I was on a rocket ship for a minute. And I was prepared for what I was about to do, and still. Wow. And now I've got the autopilot on. And at first I was skeptical how people could stay asleep and take naps while driving this, but I see why now. I mean, this car is extremely fun, but at the same time, it can pretty much drive itself. I mean, I'm so pleasantly surprised by the Ludicrous Plus mode. That was insane. And I really like the feel of the brake pedal. For a car that can go this fast, it just, as soon as you hit the brake pedal, it starts stopping, but depending on how much force you give it, that's how hard you stop, and it's very, very consistent. And I really like the gauge cluster too, because the car, with all the cameras it has, it can see everything that's going on. 2 cars ahead of you, to your left side, your right side. And we're just gonna nail it one time, get on the interstate. Not quite nail it until I get around this curve. Here we go. Oh man. I mean, these really are great cars. They are fantastic cars. They're fun to drive. They're smart as can be. But most importantly, with a P100D, very fun to drive. And it does a good job at maintaining the ride quality as well. A car that drives like this usually would not have this kind of ride quality, but it's really great. I mean, in those low speeds when you can just open it up and go, oh, it's so fantastic. And it's got that kind of exhilaration like being on a roller coaster, going all the way up and then coming down on the drop. It's that kind of exhilaration. It's just great. And that does not get old. If I had one of these, I'd probably have to charge the battery twice a day, because all I would do is just floor it constantly. It's that much fun. And really, the car, it surprises you every time because it drives so normally. It drives like a Mercedes. You've got all this technology. You've got this huge screen here. And then it can go from a luxurious vehicle to a sports car. Not even a sports car, almost a hypercar, really. That's the kind of exhilaration you get. All right, one more time. Whoo! Goodness gracious. I mean, that's just awesome. That does not get old. And this autopilot is just great. I literally put the blinker on to change lanes and it changes lanes for me. It was turning for me, but I didn't want to take that chance. This is just an awesome car worth every single solitary penny. And that's my review of the 2016 Tesla Model X P100D.